In this video, we'll discuss information about the Raptor Finance project and Raptor token. But before we get into that, welcome to Crypto Vault, where we will be covering all news about cryptocurrency and what you should keep an eye on. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss out on first minute information about potential investments. Also, please give this video a like and comment down below. What is Raptor? Raptor Finance is a financial ecosystem developed by holders for holders. The objective is to heal the planet and halt climate change by allowing token holders to invest their tokens to create revenue for themselves and ecological projects. Raptor Finance's aim is to provide the average person with the chance to earn compounding interest by acquiring and staking their native token on the platform. They are also developing a cutting-edge farming system, a crypto lottery, and, eventually, one of the most adaptable NFT marketplaces. Raptor Swap is an exchange platform that is currently in development that will easily compete with PancakeSwap, Uniswap, SushiSwap, and any other token swap exchange due to the quality of their UI and their unique 7% burn cost for transactions applied to buys and sells that has been developed to counteract the exchange killer known as impermanent loss. To limit the impacts of impermanent loss, which other platforms suffer from, they understand that the bulk of individuals must hold their tokens and stake them to the platform rather than farming. As a result, they have massively rewarded staking by offering no time locks and a substantial 5% APY. Because there are no time constraints, you may build up your own claiming and reinvesting timetable, effectively earning compounding interest on your investment in their native coin. We are the future of decentralized finance and liquidity staking, with a plan to improve the world by donating a portion of operation fees to community-driven organizations. Community values. Raptor Finance believes heavily in the power of transparent and open communities. They are certain that this project should be administered by the community at all times, and that the community should be involved in the project's future development. By investing in Raptor, you become a member of their community, and they will warmly welcome you. How and where to buy Raptor? The Binance mainnet now supports the Raptor cryptocurrency. Raptor's token address is on the screen. Be cautious to not buy any other coin with a different smart contract than this one, as this can easily be faked. We strongly suggest that you remain cautious and safe throughout the launch. Don't let the excitement get the best of you. Simply ensure that you have enough BNB in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. For more information about this, see our previous videos. You must first purchase one of the major cryptocurrencies, typically Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, or Binance, BNB. Binance Exchange will be used in this case because it is one of the largest crypto exchanges that accept flat deposits. Once you've completed the KYC process, you will be prompted to provide a payment method. You can either submit a credit card or debit card to utilize a bank to transfer to purchase one of the major cryptocurrencies, typically Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, or Binance Coin, BNB. The following step is to connect the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. You must have a wallet address. We use the MetaMask wallet. Transfer WBNB from your old MetaMask wallet to your new MetaMask wallet. Next step, connect your MetaMask wallet to the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange to purchase the trade Raptor tokens. There are a few popular cryptocurrency exchanges with highly daily trade volumes and a large user basis. This ensures that you can sell your coins at any moment, and the costs are usually reduced. It is recommended that you also register on these exchanges because once Raptor is listed there, it will attract a big amount of trading activity from users there, which means you will have more fantastic trading possibilities. Here are some of the best exchanges for token coin trading. The founder of Raptor Finance. Raptor Finance was founded by Ismail van Essen. 5 years he studied and worked in the field of information technology. He has a comprehensive and in-depth financial analysis and consulting background, and as a member of a management team, he has a significant understanding in end-to-end corporate operations. On top of all this, he has a proven track record of success in transactions/mergers, projects, and implementations from home nations to Bulgaria. He has demonstrated the ability to build, develop, and manage excellent relationships, and he is always committed to getting the task done correctly and efficiently. These talents and experiences, when combined, enable him to successfully develop new end-to-end procedures across numerous nations in order to globalize the operations. In addition to his regular employment, he has been involved in the DeFi, decentralized finance, sphere for nearly 4 years prior to the 2017 bull run. That bull run taught him a lot about how markets work and how volatile the cryptocurrency market is, and he's been trading ever since. He came up with the idea for the Raptor token in February 2021. This is to benefit not only the holders, traders, and DeFi believers, but also the world. He believes climate change is harmful and real, and he wants to do his share to make the world a better place. He feels that even if you do not believe in climate change, you would want to have clean air, fresh water, and plastic-free ocean in order for our aquatic friends to survive. Burning and stakeholder rewards. Following the contract's development, 52.515% of the entire supply was transferred to the so-called black hole address, leaving the economy with the remaining supply, specifically to the following address, which will be displayed on screen. The entire transaction tax, 7%, is incinerated, as it is leveled on the transactions. This is done to raise funds. The stakeholder rewards that are distributed at a community-determined APR. This APR is set to 5% at the outset. However, the contract owners have the ability to modify it. The balance between burn rate and APR determines whether the tokens is deflationary or inflationary. Trust and safety. They are aware that the token has not been surrendered. This is due to the fact that they require the ability to carry out the change that the community voted for. The protected functions, or owner privileges, can only be performed by the token owner, Ismail Van Essen. On their webpage, you can discover his contract information as well as connections to his social media accounts. The founder ensures the safety of investors through his name and public presence. The following address can be used to track the execution of privileged smart contract functions. Furthermore, any change in ownership is made public via the smart contract's owner variable at the contract address. The function and structure of the token contract are being audited by industry leaders Certic and Haichi for further safety assurance. This is the end of today's video. I hope you got all the information you need about Raptor. We put a massive amount of effort into making these videos, so please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, drop a like and comment before you go. I'll see you in the next one.